Tonight I am making an all-in-one pan chicken tamale pie. It is easy and you can have this ready in less than an hour. I'm Tess and come join me in my kitchen while I make this delicious chicken tamale pie. Stay tuned. I'm using about 1.5 pounds of small cube boneless chicken breasts. You can also use chicken thighs or even ground chicken for this recipe. You could also use leftover cooked chicken and add it at the end before you top it with a Jiffy mix. You can use any oven-proof deep skillet, and I'm using my cast iron pan. On medium-high heat, I'm adding a little oil and the chicken. Cooking and stirring for 2 to 3 minutes or until no longer pink. Now I'm adding in 1 cup each of diced onions and bell peppers with a little pinch of salt. Cooking and stirring for 2 minutes. In goes 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, cooking and stirring for another minute. These are the spices I'm using. 1 teaspoon each of oregano, chili powder, smoked paprika, and cumin. You could also use your favorite taco seasoning. Tossing them in and stirring for a minute. This really smells good. I'm adding in 1.25 cups of tomato sauce, and this will depend on how much chicken you are cooking. Giving that a good stir. This is optional, but I'm adding in 1/4 cup of salsa because I have it and it will add a little heat. This is a small can of green chilies and I have 1 cup each of corn and black beans. As you can see, this chicken tamale pie is going to be packed full of flavors and textures. Giving that a good stir, bringing up to a simmer, and cooking for 4 to 5 minutes or until the liquid is reduced a little, and then I'm turning off my heat. For the topping, I have a box of cornbread mix and I'm using Jiffy. I'm following the package instructions and adding 1 egg and 1/3 cup of milk. Giving that a good stir but not over mixing. To give the topping a little more flavor and texture, I'm adding about 1/4 cup of cheese and about 1/4 cup of corn. Giving that another good stir to combine. I'm sprinkling a little cheese on top, and then I'm spooning on the cornbread topping and spreading out as best I can. This is going into a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven and baking for 25 to 30 minutes. And the chicken tamale pie is done. While the pie is still warm, I'm topping with a little more grated cheese and chopped green onions. Going to let this cool for about 10 to 15 minutes before serving. I really like the Tex Mex flavors, and the cornbread just takes it over the top. If you're looking for an easy one-pot dinner that is full of flavor and satisfying, this is it. I hope you give this chicken tamale pie recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.